I know I shouldn't be in love, in love, I know I shouldn't be in love, in love.
We are all about supporting interactive art. We made that our focus a long time ago, and it's really helped to grow a community that really loves building together and making stuff you couldn't do elsewhere.
Something like this big we could do in 2 days. Imagine R2-D2, but run by a way cooler cat.
This is a 16th-month project we did in 4 months, so.
Yeah, everyone gets so excited when they think about riding a carousel with flames above your head.
I was the first artist ever funded to come to Loveburn the first year as a prototype, and I've been coming every year I can and bringing it because this is what it's turned into, from 150 people to this.
Current installation, it is the Mecha Meowzilla in the tradition of Godzilla. A wonderful kick-ass build team that constructs all this stuff within a matter of a couple days. Before that, we're spending months upon months fabricating all this stuff, and we change our design every year, so it's always a new challenge for us.
Trying to reinvigorate the art form of the carousel. We have 8 different creatures and 2 sleds. It's made by 5 different artists.
And we started talking about how we could do a rotating fire ceiling. I think just marinating in both of our brains for a decade and a half, and then earlier last year, everything came together and
It was time to build a carousel.
And this is Charon, the ferryman to Hades from Greek mythology. This is a stroboscopic zoetrope. It's 32 feet tall, 16,000 pounds.
This is Dastardar the Degenerate. This is its first burn. So he's the whacked out teenager, ready to roll.
Packaged it up, took 3 days. About 2,500 pounds of steel. It's inspired by having a humanoid form in a flight or winged element. And I'm really happy to be down here in Miami for Loveburn.
You know the rules already. You don't have to stand in line to get the falafel. You have to dance to get the falafel. Participate in any of the games. We'll have a great falafel. Welcome to Loveburn.
Once it's gone fast enough, it looks like he's rowing across the river. It's human powered. You have to pull on all these ropes to get it going. So I think it's a way for us to let go of the people that we've lost.
This is our 8th Love Burn, and I think we'll be coming back next year too.
A psychological expression through art of the different characters and personalities of life. And that's part of the Infinite Infants growing up.
This is a passion project, and it's something that we were able to pull together because we were able to impassion other people with the idea, and now it's a real thing.
We're a gifting economy. Invite you into their realm and they bring their living room, their vibe, and their contribution to you. People come from around the globe, are here to present you with their magic. And so come out to Loveburn and enjoy all of the great creativity. Covers the full gamut of the most amazing cultural experience of your entire life.